Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to display real-time upload progress when users upload files to AWS S3 using the AWS File Uploader plugin. Let's get started. First, we'll install the plugin. Open your Bubble application. On the left side, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugins. In the search bar, type AWS File Uploader by zeroqode. Once it appears, click Buy and complete the installation. After installing, it will appear in your plugin list. Now let's move over to the Design tab. Step 1, accessing the uploader's progress states. Both uploader elements, File Uploader and File Uploader, no GUI, come with exposed states that give us real-time upload progress. You can add any of the uploader elements to your page. For example, there are states such as progress of files upload or upload progress of current file, which updates automatically as the file uploads. Step 2, displaying the progress. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can add a progress bar and bind its value to the uploader's progress state, or add a text element that displays something like uploading percentage. Using the same state just like we have here, as the file uploads, the progress bar or text will update automatically. Now let's preview what we've built. When a user selects a file and the upload starts, you'll see the progress updating in real time. If you're using a progress bar, it will gradually fill up as the file uploads. And if you're using text, you'll see the percentage increase from 0 all the way to 100. This gives users clear feedback that their file is uploading successfully instead of wondering if anything is happening. And that's it. Users can now upload files to AWS S3 securely and see the progress in real time. It's a simple but professional touch that improves the overall user experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the chatbot on the zeroqode website or by email at support@zeroqode.com.